Right now is the perfect time to save money and get pre-season maintenance done on your boat at the Nautical Doctor. Save money now, before the busy boating season begins. Dewinterization, buffing, hull and interior cleaning, transom and lower unit rebuilds, bottom coat, as well as minor and major engine repair. Anything you need done to your boat, the Nautical Doctor can do it, with attention to detail in every way possible. All workmanship is backed by a 90-day guarantee. So call John today, 615-633-1820, or email your questions or specifics to nauticaldoctor@yahoo.com. We're located next to the boat ramp, so you can actually lake test your boat before taking it home. Call or email us today. Happy boating from your one-stop boat shop, the Nautical Doctor.